Hi there, it's David Duford again from buylifeinsuranceforburial.com, where I take time on this YouTube channel to answer your questions about life insurance. So the question I have here today is, how can I qualify for life insurance if I do skydiving? Which is actually a pretty interesting question. So most people watching this are probably going to be in some form or fashion committed to skydiving, whether it's professionally and they're an instructor, or if they just do it recreationally. Either way, it doesn't matter. The goal of this video is to answer this question in as much information as possible. So there's a couple of factors you got to be aware of if you're determining whether or not you can qualify for life insurance and really at what rate you may qualify for. Of course, you've got your standard questions such as age, health, smoking, that kind of thing. But when it comes to skydiving, there's going to be a difference in questioning about whether you do this recreationally or non-recreationally if you're a stuntman, let's say, or an instructor. And possibly if you're a skydiving club member where you may have some professional certification or at least some recognition that, by being a member, you're an expert in the particular sport. So what happens when you apply for life insurance and you skydive is you have to list all this information down. And it may be the case where you may experience what's called a flat extra. A flat extra is an insurance surcharge used to account for what's considered to be high-risk sports, occupations, or hobbies. And it allows people that otherwise would normally disqualify for life insurance apply and get approved for life insurance, but just at a higher rate. So real quick how it works. Usually, depending on the avocation or hobby, the flat extra will fall between $2 and $10 per every $1,000 in coverage. Take, for example, if you have $100,000 in life insurance and it's $5 per $1,000 in coverage, that means if you do the math, you'll pay an additional $500 above and beyond whatever your premium is rated at based off of your health and age. So there is that extra surcharge, but it's a way to get you life insurance coverage despite your particular hobby that you're doing, like skydiving. Other aspects to be consider here, you may want to consider exclusionary rider in your application. What this allows you to do is to get life insurance but not cover you in the event you were to die in a skydiving accident. You may or may not like that idea, but that's a strategy if the flat extra comes back higher than you like, to lower your premium down. And there's other strategies too that you can get more comprehensive coverage but at a better price. And what I want to do is invite you to go to my webpage where I explain this in more detail on how life insurance can be had for skydivers. If you go to the link down here in the description box below in the YouTube channel, that'll take you to my website and the article about skydiving for life insurance. And the website is buylifeinsuranceforburial.com. And if you go there and you're interested in getting a quote, feel free to. You can do it a couple of different ways. You can send me a message. You can request a quote. We'll get it here at the office. And then also you can call. The number is 888-626-0439. And we will be happy to help you out in any way possible. My name is David Duford of Buy Life Insurance for Burial. Checking out. We'll see you next time. See ya.